Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use disappearing messages on WhatsApp. So you can enable them from specific individual chats, group chats, or set the full timer for all new conversation. Okay, so open the chat with the person or group. So I now opened the uh, group right here. Now what we can do is go here to the top right corner of these three dots, click on it, and then group info. Like that. Now here you will see at this menu, you will see disappearing messages. And if you select that, you will see some information. This increases your privacy and can improve storage on your device. So you click OK. And here you will set up this for 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. And yeah, with that, basically, you are good to go. So all messages will disappear from this chat for everyone after the selected duration, except when kept. So group admins control who can change these settings. And yeah, this is basically it. What we can do now is head over to the settings. So now under the settings, we can go to the privacy and then the message timer. And here we can also set preferred duration, 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. So this is basically the same what we did, but uh, this will be for a default timer for all new chats. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next